Biodiversity. The party of life on our planet. Have you ever stopped to think that Earth is like a big party, full of incredible guests? And these guests are all the living beings that inhabit the planet. From trees that look like they came out of a fantasy movie, to fish that seem to have jumped out of a cartoon, passing through insects that appear to have arrived from another planet. This whole mix is what we call biodiversity, and it's the true party of life on Earth. Just imagine. Each species is like a special guest with its own style, color, size, and even its own way of doing things. There are giraffes, which look like they've stepped out of a fashion show with their long necks, and clownfish, which always seem ready for a party in the water. Not to mention the butterflies, which look like they've fluttered out of a fairy tale with their colorful and delicate wings. Biodiversity is so important that we can think of it as the planet's superhero team. Each species has its role in the team. Bees, for example, are the flower deliverers, carrying pollen from one to another and helping plants make seeds. Without them, many flowers and fruits could disappear, and nature's party would be without dessert. And you know what's even cooler? Each ecosystem is like a different party room. There's the tropical rainforest, which is like a club full of lights and sounds, with tall trees and animals that seem to have come from an adventure movie. There are also the oceans, which are like a giant swimming pool, full of fish, corals, and mysterious creatures that look like they're from another planet. And the deserts. They're like pajama parties, with cacti and animals that have learned to survive with very little water. But unfortunately, this whole party is facing some problems. Humans sometimes forget to invite biodiversity to the party or even try to turn off the lights and stop the music, destroying habitats, polluting rivers, and killing species for economic interests. It's as if someone were trying to turn off the party lights before it even started. That's why it's important for all of us to be the best hosts possible. We can help protect this party of life by planting trees, avoiding waste and pollution, supporting conservation projects, and learning more about the incredible beings that share the planet with us. After all, the more happy and healthy guests there are, the more fun and long-lasting our party will be. So, the next time you see a butterfly, a colorful fish, or a giant tree, remember, they are the special guests of this big party called biodiversity. And it's up to all of us to ensure that this party never ends, because life on the planet is much more fun when everyone is invited to the celebration. Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who loves exploring the world.